How to connect Monopoly Go to Facebook. If you wish to connect Facebook account to your Monopoly Go account, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then launch the Monopoly Go game. Now after you launch the Monopoly Go game, this is the interface you will see. Tap on the three lines option located at the top right hand side of the screen, and from there you'll find the option that says settings. So simply go to the settings option. Once you come to the settings option, over here you'll find the option called manage account. Simply go to manage account, and there you'll find the option called connect. Now in my case, I have already connected my Facebook account, so you are seeing the disconnect button. But if you have not yet connected, you'll find the connect button. From here you will be able to go ahead and then basically enter your details about your Facebook account, and you'll be able to successfully connect your account. This way you can connect Monopoly Go to Facebook. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.